Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. So I have Chico with me. Chico is a 3-month-old German Shepherd, and in this video I want to highlight, the common mistake that people do when their puppies bark. So rather than stopping the barking behavior, people could be encouraging the barking behavior, which is what I wanted to demonstrate in this video. As you can see, I have Chico in this crate. Now the intention of Chico is to come out of the crate, and he exhibits that by barking. He loves to roam around, and that's what he wanted to do. But what I wanted to showcase is that to Chico, I would like to say that this is not the appropriate way to ask your way out, and you have to be. By exhibiting or by showing some impulse control, you can leverage your freedom. So instead of opening the crate when the puppy is actually barking to stop the barking, you wait until the puppy stops barking. So that way you discourage the barking and encourage some self-control. Right now you could see he's so focused on coming out of the crate. All I wanted him to show is some self-control. So I have some cookies over here, and you can see as soon as I open the crate, even before I open the crate, he's trying to come out. And I'm gonna say, if he barks, I'm gonna turn away. All that I'm gonna do is turn away. I want him to show some calmness before he gets out. This way I can discourage barking. It's going to take some time. Maybe I can fast forward the video if it takes too long, but I wanted to showcase this. So he's exhibiting good self-control right now. I will let him out. Break! Yay! Alright, he cannot steal the cookies. So I'm gonna, just move it away from him. I actually don't want it to, move the cookie. But since he can get access because of the large opening, good. So he can earn the reward by showing some self-control. That's what I'm trying to teach. So young puppies, they don't have the self-control, and by teaching them that it is actually rewarding to exhibit patience, by that way we can improve their self-control. So he is actually licking and doing all that stuff, and Good. Also make sure that before the puppy fails, or rather in other words, ensure that your puppy succeeds. Don't make him wait too long, and get him frustrated. So he has done this exercise a couple of times, so he can wait this longer. Alright, so that's it for today. See you in another video.